Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you big data. What is big data? It is huge amount of data that cannot be processed using traditional technologies. In 2001, industry analyst Delaney defined big data as 3 V's: volume, velocity, and variety. In the past, huge amount of data cannot be stored due to high cost. Now, with decreasing storage costs, large data volumes can be stored. As you can see in the picture, 98,000 tweets, 695,000 status updates in Facebook, and millions of instant messages are created in every 60 seconds, and all of those are collected as data by the companies. As is shown in the picture, the internet connection speed has increased significantly, and nowadays, data is streaming to the server at incredibly fast speed. And data can be in a lot of different forms. It can be an audio, it can be a text message, it can be a financial transaction, it can basically be anything. So let's talk about the pros and cons of big data. The first pro is that it helps business to make decisions based on customers' interest. Let's take Netflix for example. House of Cards is a renowned political drama produced by Netflix. Netflix collected users' actions such as what types of films do they watch, what actors do they like. Then they make this television series only based on the data they collected, and it has become a great success. The other pro is that it also increases efficiency. In the 1990s, Microsoft started a project named Candide, which is basically to create a computer translator. It took 10 years for Microsoft to translate all the Canadian Congress documents to French, and they put the data into the computers. However, it cost too much to make the project profitable, so Microsoft shut down the project. On the other hand, Google collects all the translations they could find from the internet, and they use that data to build a translator. It is costless and is much more effective than the Candide project. Although big data can be beneficial to our society in many ways, it can also endanger our privacy. What endangered our privacy is not the first use of those data, but the use of second-hand. Let's still use Netflix for example. When Netflix uses the customer's data as promoting their films or recommendation, it might also sell information to others. Research shows that for every individual, if we can have data of 6 films, there is an 84% chance to identify that anonymous user. So if companies sell their data to others, we have no idea that how those data will threaten us. Recently, IDC reported that 70% of large organizations already purchase external data, and 100% will do so by 2019. In parallel, more organizations will begin to monetize their data by selling them or providing value-added content. Despite it threatens our privacy, it also limits creativity and human intelligence. Sometimes we are too dependent on data. Google's decision-making completely depends on data. There is no doubt that sometimes it will help to make the right move. However, humans are controlled by data. They listen to data and do what data tells them to do. So if Steve Jobs listened to data, there would be no iPhone or iPad today, because there is no support of data. So in conclusion, big data can be both beneficial and harmful to human society depending on how people use it, because big data improves efficiency and helps business while damaging human creativity and personal privacy at the same time.